Today, I am delighted to share Santa Claus's Sustainability Review, where I will present the key elements of a responsible Christmas. The elves are currently calculating greenhouse gas emissions for Scope 1, Scope 2, and Scope 3. Unfortunately, there are no standardized emission factors available for reindeer and sleighs. Sustainable development is an ongoing process, which is why we are publishing today some of the impacts, risks, and opportunities we have identified related to Christmas, along with our principles and goals. In line with standards, we aim to involve all individuals affected by our actions, as well as our stakeholders and users of the report, to share their insights with Korvatunturi as we work towards a responsible and sustainable Christmas. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season.